Okay guys, milk my goat with me, but today I actually got ready because it's like 10 right now. So yeah, I low-key only did get ready because I'm gonna go to Walmart, I think. Well, instead of really going grocery shopping, and Walmart's like the closest thing to grocery shopping anywhere near my town. Well, anywhere near my house, so I need to get new concealer anyways because I just ran out. That was my darkest concealer. How does... Hi Alice, how did you do that? Oh, is this like their hangout spot or something? What's going on? Go! So I'm gonna like try to do this quickly because I want to hurry up and get it done. But so yeah. Last night I set a 15-minute timer to see if I could like finish milking her in 15 minutes, and I was actually done in 11 minutes. So it feels so bad. Okay, so I'm gonna start with cleaning her. I'm gonna start milking. For some reason, this teat has way more milk in it. I think she farted or something because she actually smells so bad right now. Okay, so I just finished milking her. And we have that full. And I'm going to put it in this quart thing. It's already like halfway full. So yeah, just going to turn it on. Now I'm doing it in the sink because this is like has a whole bunch of rat poop on it, so it's like unsanitary. Okay, so now that we have a quart, I'm gonna put it into this. I'm also gonna use the strainer just to make sure it's all clean and because it's not fit like that. Okay. Okay, so now that all the milk is out of the strainer, I'm gonna put this back in the freezer and I'm gonna put the rest of the milk that was in the little jar in the quart jar for later. Okay. And then when I milk later, that will also go in the quart, and if it makes a quart, then it'll go in the jar. I mean in the container that's in the freezer. The quart jar goes in the fridge, and now I have to clean the rest of these containers. Okay, now I'm gonna let her out. Now I'm done milking for the morning, and now I have to come back out at night.